We never get stuck, ain't nothing like riding in a Chevrolet truck. Bought some new suspension and some tires and shocks, raised it off the frame with some 6-inch blocks. My wife said, honey, that sure looks neat, but we'll have to get a ladder just to get in the seat. Chevrolet truck is just my style, got all the bells and whistles, but it's not too wild. Got a lot of power and we never get stuck, ain't nothing like riding in a Chevrolet truck. One day we tried to cross Eldridge Creek. My wife said, honey, that water looks deep. Came through the mud and we hit a few stones. I was sure glad I had my little cellular phone. Chevrolet truck is just my style. Got all the bells and whistles, but it's not good.